Hello everyone. Today I would like to show you all how to use hearing aid with Samsung Galaxy devices. Let's have a look. First, open Settings app on your Samsung Galaxy smartphone. In Settings, scroll down and find out Accessibility. Tap Accessibility. Then tap Hearing Enhancement. Then tap Hearing Aid Support. Hearing aid compatibility, just your phone's audio so it works better with your hearing aid. Simply turn on hearing aid, then tap Bluetooth hearing aid. Tap continue and select the device you would like to connect. That's it. These are the steps to use hearing aid with Samsung Galaxy devices. Hope this video help you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.